Let's talk about the viral sensation TikTok. With its explosive growth, it's become a hotspot for gaining quick target traffic. TikTok thrives on short, attention-grabbing videos. Create content that resonates with your needs. Showcase your personally and value offers. Curiosity is very important. So people are curious about what you are offering. So they are clicking on your link because you get some curiosity about it. The key is authentic. And end your TikTok videos always with a teaser, directing viewers to your bio where they can find your affiliate link. And yes, you guess it. If you are enjoying these strategies, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned and updated. It's very important. Let people follow you on TikTok. Like you see, my page is over here. And you see, I have a lot of short videos and I have a lot of people watching. The last one was 746 times watched. So that's for free. 746 people who are watching my video about my offer I have to offer them. And they are clicking on my link, subscribing to my offer or subscribing to my list. Remember, the key to success is providing value, building relationships, and consistently engaging with your audience. So put this strategy into action and watch the flood of target visitors transform to your affiliate offers. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Thanks for tuning in on my YouTube channel, Jessica Konijn, and watching this movie. See you next time!